Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name's Preston Howard. I'm the co-founder of Helpful Place Marketing, and for the past year and a half, we've been extremely successful being able to find attorney clients and be able to actually help those clients generate over 500 leads with specific campaigns, and those campaigns are helping them with individual practices that they offer. So today I'm excited to be able to tell you that we're actually taking this information, simplifying it to be able to show you whether you have a background in digital marketing, maybe you don't even know anything about that, but you want to be able to make an additional $2,000 a month for yourself with one client. So this method is going to help you generate as many as you want on demand, and it's just one method that we use to be able to consistently generate new attorney clients. And it's not Facebook ads, it's not email marketing, it's not cold calls, and it's probably something that you've never heard of, but it's one super simple method that we use to, again, generate attorney clients on demand. So not only are we going to give you access to this to be able to learn this one method that you can use repeatedly, but we're also going to show you the very simple system that we use to then generate leads. Like I said, over 500 last year for one campaign alone for these attorney clients. So basically, we're going to give you everything you need to know and need to have to be able to start generating attorney clients for yourself, but then also being able to generate leads for these attorneys, being able to literally create a new model for you to be able to generate new business, and like I said, upwards of $2,000 a month for one client alone. So we've put a training together that is not super long, it's not a webinar, we're not trying to sell you some seriously overpriced thing at the end. We want to be able to share this information with you that has been successful with us, so that way we can start giving back and helping others like you. So we look forward to seeing you in the training.